Bullshit.
Wow. Okay. How will you treat a lifelong couple that only wants to be given the same rights as anyone else? How will you treat the transgender person when they wish to marry? What rights will the transgender lose if they are married before or after transition? Are you willing to tie up the courts in this land every time we contest what is true? And what happens to the rights of our children? The second line of the amendment says, a legal status identical or substantially similar to that of marriage for unmarried individuals shall not be valid or recognized. Again, what is substantially similar?
Bullshit.
Wow. Okay. If you have a domestic partner benefit, it could be challenged. Civil unions obviously would never be allowed in this state. And if your partner dies, will you be entitled to those benefits? You will reduce the possibility of attracting true employee talent to the state of Indiana. So, to the senators, to the legislators, to the House, spend time solving real problems instead of creating new ones.